Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a video vertical. Before that, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you will find this video useful. Now, once you have imported your media into your media pool, you want to go ahead to the settings, which are at the bottom right corner, right there. And you want to click on that gear icon. From here, you can see the timeline format and the master settings, and here is timeline resolution. So all you have to do is check this use vertical resolution, click save. After that, you will be left with this vertical video, and here you have it. Now it's already adjusted. Sometimes you need to go ahead and zoom it in for you to basically fit the frame, but that's it. If this video was useful, please subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Bye.